In this video, you will learn how to set up Clover card reader. Setting up the Clover card reader is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. First, unblock your Clover card reader and check that everything is in the box. Plug your device into a charger if it needs charging, then wait until it's fully charged. Now, press and hold the power button on the card reader to turn it on. The screen should light up and indicate that it's ready for use. Now, from your mobile device or another device, download the Clover POS app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If you are using a Clover Station or Clover Mini, the POS system should already be pre-installed. Now, create or log in to your Clover account. Open the Clover app on your device. If you're a new user, sign up for an account. You will need some basic business information such as your email address, your name, and your type of payments. Then, if you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Now, set up your business profile. After logging in, you will be asked to provide and confirm business details such as tax information, contact information, business name, and bank account details for payment deposits. Now, pair your Clover card reader with the Clover app. For the Bluetooth reader, in the Clover app, go to the settings or device settings. Now, tap on Add Device or Pair a Card Reader option. The app will search for available devices nearby. Then, it will find your Clover card reader. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the card reader with your device. You may need to enter a code or confirm the pairing via Bluetooth. Now, once the card reader is paired, do a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. In the Clover app, input a small payment amount. Then, use the card reader to process the payment by either inserting, tapping or swiping your card, depending on the type of card reader you have. If the transaction goes through successfully, your card reader is ready to be used. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.